There are 5 common mistakes that everyone makes when trying to design with pattern. You've probably been told to just add pattern to make your space feel more designer. But that's only half the story. Because here's the truth: most people are designing with pattern in the wrong way. That's why their homes feel busy and not beautiful. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest mistakes when designing with pattern and how to fix them so your home feels collected and not chaotic. And this first trap is one that even the professionals fall into. Mistake 1: using too many patterns. When you see a beautifully designed space, it may be easy to think that a designer just threw these patterns together so effortlessly. Trust me, there is a method to the madness. The key here is to pick 2, maybe 3 at most, pattern families and stick to them. Here are some combos that always look good together. Stripes and florals. The structure of stripes paired with the softness of florals really gives your space a rhythm and movement. Geometrics and abstracts. The geometry grounds the room, while the abstract can really add energy. The secret is contrast through balance. Hard meets soft, structured meets organic. That's what really makes your space feel intentional and not accidental. Now, once you've got your pair nailed down, this is where the magic really happens. It's time to find your hero. Mistake number 2: giving every pattern main character energy. Every great story has one clear hero, and your room should be the same. Your hero pattern is the star of your design story. It's going to be the most complex, detailed, and expressive pattern in your room. It's the one that sets the entire color story into motion. Start there. This could be anything: a patterned sofa, a rug, a beautiful piece of artwork that you love. But that hero becomes your anchor. It tells you what colors to bring forward, which ones to maybe quiet down, what mood you want your room to evoke. And if you're wondering how to build that color harmony around your hero, stay tuned. I'm going to make a video on that soon. Mistake number 3: ignoring existing patterns. So here is one that sneaks up on everyone. You might already have pattern in your space you haven't even thought of. That travertine floor with the swirling veins, that's pattern. That herringbone timber floor, pattern. Even subtle wall texture counts. If you have like an orange peel type texture on your walls, controversial take, but that's pattern. Ignoring these background players can add visual chaos when you start adding other things to your room. So before you add anything else, do take stock of what already exists in your space. And if your flooring or your backsplash has an amazing pattern on it, maybe let that be your hero and keep your textiles tonal and quiet. Mistake number 4: ignoring scale. 2 big, bold patterns competing against each other, instant chaos. Instead, play with scale to create a hierarchy within your room. Try pairing a large graphic print with something smaller and softer, like a big geometric next to a soft floral. It's contrast through proportion, and it's the secret designers use when playing with pattern. Mistake number 5: forgetting a space to rest. Even the best pattern stories need somewhere to pause. A few solid colors or more quiet tonal textures give your eye a place to breathe. And it also makes sure your hero shines even brighter. If you want to see how this all comes together, pattern families, heroes, scales, proportions, and all the rest, I've built a full playlist on how you can play with pattern throughout every room of your home. It's called Pattern Theory, and I give you tons of examples. I show you real examples room by room. So go watch that next so you can layer patterns with confidence. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.